Hello, and a warm welcome to our guide on navigating the Ubertesters platform. At Ubertesters, we understand the crucial role that effective platform utilization plays in your experience with us. It enhances your user experience, saves time, increases productivity, and most importantly, provides you with a comprehensive view of any bugs and issues our testers identify in your product. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential steps, including signing up and establishing your organization on our platform, inviting users from your organization, typically in roles like managers or developers, creating test cases for execution in your test cycles, analyzing and updating issues reported by our dedicated testers, integrating your issue tracking system, such as Jira, to seamlessly export issues for your tracking. Let's embark on this journey together to maximize your Ubertesters experience, shall we? Please open dashboard.ubertesters.com/sign-in and then click Sign Up. Here, you need to provide your personal details and your company information. Fill in the form with the requested details, then click Sign Up. Fantastic job so far. Now, it's time to create a project for testing. You can handle this step and the following ones either by yourself or with the assistance of your assigned Ubertesters project manager. Click the Add New Project button and proceed to fill in all the necessary fields, such as the platform, project title, bundle ID, project status, etc. Finally, click the Create Project button. Next, you can add team members to the project. Typically, these would be individuals from your organization responsible for project administration or other stakeholders who need to review test cycle results. Crowd testers will be added by the assigned project manager, so no need to worry about that. Navigate to Administration, then Team, and click the Add Members button. Enter the emails of the people you want to invite. They will receive invitations to join the organization. Assign them roles such as beta tester, QA, developer, or manager, and click the Add Project Team Member button. Congratulations, they've now been successfully added to the team. In the meantime, and for the purpose of this demo, we've incorporated a demo test cycle into the process. Test cycles serve as the fundamental units of work during the testing phase. Some may call it test iterations. As illustrated, we've established test cycles named February 2024, representing the tasks scheduled for completion throughout February. Furthermore, we've assigned testers to these test cycles, outlining the individuals responsible for executing the tasks within each cycle. Now, let's move on to creating test cases. This step can be managed either by our dedicated project managers or you can take the reins yourself. Keep in mind, test cases are optional, especially during an exploratory test cycle or when opting for a freestyle testing approach instead of strict scenarios. Navigate to the left column and select Test Cases. At the top, choose Manage Tests. Here, you can manually create a new test case. For the test, provide an ID number, assign priority, fill in the title, description, expected result, and then click Save. That's one method of adding a test case manually. Another efficient approach is importing test cases from an Excel file. Click the Import button and follow the instructions regarding the Excel file structure, which is quite straightforward. This becomes particularly valuable when dealing with a large number of test cases. You can request a sample file format from your assigned project manager after signing up. Click Choose File to import your Excel file. Once imported, map the title fields according to your needs, click Process, and the test cases will be imported into your project and test cycle. Upon returning to the Test Cases icon in the left column, the test cases we created will appear under the Manage Tests area. Congratulations, your test cycles have commenced, and our testers can now begin executing test cases. After testing, they can mark each case with the corresponding test result, pass, fail, or blocked. After all the testers have executed the test cases, you can view the results by navigating to Test Results. Here, you'll find a comprehensive list of all test cases, along with their respective outcomes. Gain insights into how many testers executed each test case and the overall results. For a more detailed analysis, click on the Browse icon to review the results of each executed test. This provides you with a holistic overview of the testing progress and allows for efficient decision-making based on the detailed results of each test. Additionally, you have the option to filter the results based on the outcome, allowing you to easily identify and categorize tests as passed, failed, or blocked. After completing all the test cases, in the event of a test case failure, or if testers uncover bugs or issues during exploratory testing, they can create issues for your review. navigate to Issues on the left column and click on New Issue to initiate the process. When creating an issue, the tester needs to specify the related test cycle, the type of issue, select the device, provide a summary, and fill in all other relevant details following the given format. Once all information is added, they can click the Save Issue button. To review the list of all identified issues by the testers, click on All Issues at the top to see a summary list. For a detailed examination of a specific issue, click on the issue number to access a complete drill down, including any attached screenshots or video recordings. Furthermore, you have the option to communicate with the tester and the project manager by adding a comment to the issue. Within the issue page, you can view all related comments and replies. This interactive commenting feature allows for seamless communication between stakeholders. The final point to note is that under each issue page, you can also view the device type that the tester used during testing and when reporting the issue. You can also edit an issue by clicking on the pencil icon at the top. This allows you to update any aspect of the issue, such as changing the severity, priority, status, etc., based on your evolving requirements or the status of the issue. If you're using an issue tracking system such as Jira, UTrack, or others, you can seamlessly integrate it with our platform and transfer all issues or specific ones to your Jira account. Simply go to Administration, then click Issue Tracker to view the supported issue tracking systems. Choose Jira, and you'll find 4 straightforward steps to follow for integration. Once completed, you can effortlessly push the issues created on our side and integrate them into your Jira account. Thank you for joining us on this Ubertesters Platform tutorial journey. We hope this guide empowers you to leverage our platform effectively, enhancing your testing processes and achieving successful outcomes. Until our next encounter, happy testing. Ubertesters, when testing matters.